Hello kids, how your days are going? Enjoying studies or having fun? Let's start with our grammar 7 chapter, that is adverb. What are these adverbs? Words used to describe or say something more about verbs or actions are called adverbs. Now let's see with some examples. The girl ate her food hungrily. How the girl is eating the food? Hungrily, yes. So the word hungrily shows an adverb. The girls dance gracefully. See, you can see how the girl is dancing. She is dancing gracefully. So the word gracefully shows an adverb. Read carefully. See, the boy is reading. How he is reading? Carefully. So the word carefully shows adverb. See, there are more adverbs you can see here. Happily, carefully, very, sadly, loudly, joyfully, angrily, quietly, carelessly, energetically, nervously. So mostly the adverbs ends with ly. Now there are two types of adverbs. One is adverb of manner and second is adverb of place. First we will see adverb of manner. An adverb of manner is used to tell us the manner in which the action has been done. So here you can say how the action has been done. So you can keep a question mark. When we are reading any sentences, you can keep a question mark how. Nita can read clearly. So here you can keep a question mark, that is how she is reading. She is reading clearly. So the word clearly is an adverb of manner. The soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers are already fighting for our country, but how they are fighting? Bravely. So the word bravely is adverb of manner. He walked slowly as he was hurt. The word slowly. The man is already walking. How he is walking? Slowly. So the word slowly is adverb of manner. The baby rested quietly in its cradle. The baby is already sleeping. Okay, so he is resting quietly. So the word quietly is an adverb of manner. Now we will solve one exercise of adverb of manner. Filling the blanks with suitable adverb of manner. See, the options are already given here. We have to just select one of the options and filling the blanks. First one, the old lady moved dash down the ramp. The old lady moved dash down the ramp. The old lady moved slowly. The choir sang dash in the church so that everyone to hear them. What will come? Loudly. Very good. The children dress up dash for school. The children dress up smartly for school. We should speak dash in the library. How we should speak when we enter to library? We should speak softly. Samir held his bag dash while boarding the bus. Samir held his bag tightly, so it doesn't fall down. Now we'll see adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us the location where the action takes place. Here we have to emphasis on location, like inside, up, down, here, there. Let's see with some examples. He went upstairs. Where he is going? Upstairs. The place. The boys are playing outside. The boys are playing outside. They are not playing inside the home. They are playing outside somewhere in the ground. So outside word is adverb of place. Mother is sitting inside. Means sitting inside the home. So the word inside says adverb of place. See here, kids. One thing we have to keep in mind, that adverb of place. In adverb of place, there is no object. The horse galloped far away. Some adverb of places have no object. Means the horse galloped far away. Means we don't know. There is no specific object in this sentence. We don't know where the horse is galloping. But in preposition, we are doing the comparison between adverb of place and preposition. In preposition, here the object is been given. The cat is under the table. Here the object is given that cat is where she is. The cat is under the table. So most different thing in these two are in adverb of place there were no any such object specified. Here in preposition the object is been specified. So this difference we have to keep in mind. Now we'll solve one exercise. Underline the adverb of place in the sentence is given below. The puppy is hiding there. Where the puppy is hiding? There. So word there is adverb of place. My father is out for work. My father is where? Out. So the adverb of place is out. Good. Who is singing upstairs? Who is singing upstairs? So the word upstairs specifies adverb of place. Have you been there before? Have you been there before? Which word shows the place? There. Good. I went out in rain and got wet. I went out in rain and got wet. So where did I went? Out. Out word shows adverb of place. Now kids, this time you have to do this revision by yourself. This is the second revision of our book. You can see from your book and you can complete it by your own. So kids, this was all about our chapter adverbs and its types. Thank you.